How to delete another Instagram account in my phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete another Instagram account in my phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting another Instagram account on your phone. Now in this case we're talking about you might have many accounts logged in. So here I can see I have got 2 accounts, but if I want to delete these accounts from my phone, first of all tap the 3 lines option and then just log out of all accounts, right? So just tap on the logout. So let's say you have saved the login information, you tap on the logout page. When you're on the login page of Instagram app, you'll be able to see a couple of accounts that you have added here. So let this page to load up successfully first of all. So here you can see 2 accounts have been added. So I want to remove these accounts from my Instagram login page. For this, do not select any accounts, instead tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Then just select the profile that you want to remove, tap on remove profile, and then tap the remove button to remove that account from your phone. This way you can delete another Instagram account in your phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.